Hello guys, welcome to our channel News Mito. Share, like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our daily news. 64 flights will bring home 15,000 Indians in a week. India's evacuation plan. The distribution of flights. Kerala will get the most flights, 15 from 7 countries. That will bring around 3,150 passengers. 64 flights that will bring standard Indians abroad. 14,800 estimated number of Indians that will be evacuated. 12 countries where the flights will run from when between May 7 and May 13. The cost between rupees 12,000 to 1 lakh depending on the location. In fight against COVID, increased testing and better critical. Testing landscape in India. India has ramped up testing capacity while maintaining low positive rate. While testing lesser than global benchmarks, it is on the same curve of positivity. India rates high amongst global benchmarks for test confirmed case. Delhi cases crossed 5K in 65 days. The number of COVID-19 cases in Delhi crossed the 5,000 mark on Tuesday. 65 days since the capital reported its first ever case. As of Tuesday, 64 people have died in Delhi due to the pandemic. What India looked like when Delhi had 1,500 cases on April 13. The first 1,500 cases in the capital were reported in 43 days. Since the first case in Delhi by April 13, the country had reported nearly 11,500 cases and 390 deaths. 3,000 cases on April 27. It took Delhi 14 days to touch 3,000 cases from the day. It reported 1,500 total cases by April 24. The country had reported more than 31,000 cases and over 1,000 people had died due to the disease. 5,000 cases on May 5th. From the day the national capital reported its 3,000th case, it took only 8 more days for the capital to touch the 5,000 mark on Tuesday. Liquor tax, Delhi hikes petrol by rupees 1.67, diesel rupees 7.1 litre. Police try to control the crowd as people stand in a queue flouting social distancing measure to buy alcohol in Delhi on Tuesday.